Hello, it's Ms. Cynthia, and welcome to my second video tutorial about using the library catalog at Santa Rosa Charter School for the Arts. This second video discusses how to search the library catalog. You can access our catalog from anywhere by computer at any time. And to briefly review, your first step is to navigate to the catalog's URL, santarosacity.fallatdestiny.com/. You'll arrive at a page that lists all of the sites among Santa Rosa City Schools. In the right-hand column under Charter and Alternative Schools, find and click on Santa Rosa Charter School for the Arts. You'll arrive at our schools catalog page, and now just look for and click on the Login button in the upper right corner. Input your username and password and click Login. Be sure to review my first video in this series if you have not yet set up your account. You'll know that you're logged in when you view the catalog page because the name of the account holder will be displayed in the upper right corner. Now, are you ready to begin searching the catalog? This user has input the search term Wimpy Kid and then presses the keyword button just below. If the user wanted to, they could also search by title, by author, subject, or series. You'll notice that the location for this search is Santa Rosa Charter School for the Arts. Since we'll want to specifically look for items that are available in our library, it's a good idea to double check that the location has been set to our school. This next slide image shows some of the items that came up in keyword search. There were 18 titles in all, and 5 are displayed on this slide. For each item, you'll see a listing of the title with a thumbnail image of its cover. Just below that, you'll see the book's call number and the name of the author. Some of the book's records display a series name and that book's order in the series. To the right, for each title, a listing identifies the number of copies available. Now, by clicking on the title, we now take a closer look at the third item among these returns. That's Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Last Straw, with 1 of 2 copies available. Title Details comes up and it shows more information about the item from this search. You've got the author name and the book's call number, and also its sublocation, fiction. You've even got a brief summary that explains what the book is about. Do you see the words highlighted in yellow throughout title details for this book? The words Wimpy and Wimpy Kid. The catalog is showing you the terms from within this record that it applied for the keyword search. That's its way of showing you how and why this item is relevant for your search. Now, important to note, there are 2 local copies and 1 of them is available. The Copies tab for this catalog record will give you even more details. You can see the call number and the barcode for each book, along with a note about its status. One book is currently available, while the other is checked out with a September 15th due date. The catalog will not tell you who has checked out the book. That's between that person and the library. Now let's talk about some other options that you have available for search. I mentioned that the default is to bring results for items in our school, but if you wanted, by changing the setting under location, you could have the catalog show results from all sites in Santa Rosa City Schools. You could have it show you results from all of the elementary schools, from the middle schools, from the high schools, or the charter and alternative schools. Powersearch lets you get more specific in your search by using multiple words. You can specify if you want all these words, any of these words, or this exact phrase. You can also use modifiers like and, or, and not to add or exclude certain terms. The Visual tab offers an option for viewers who work well with pictures. From this slide image, you'll see options for search by animals, famous people, folk and fairy tales, geography, history, holidays, science, and sports. Finally, the Copy Categories tab will bring up various lists by subjects, by awards, lists in alphabetical order. Clicking on each list will bring up books that were assigned to that category. Folks, that's it for now. Be sure to spend some time exploring search with our catalog. In this series' next video, I'll talk about placing a hold on items you've found in our catalog.